Okay, think about something we do literally every single day of our lives, walking. We spend our entire lives doing it, but what if that very act was about to change forever? We're not talking about a small tweak here. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we get from A to B.
Yeah, I know that sounds a little dramatic, right? The end of walking as we know it. But seriously, this is the question at the heart of some incredible new technology that could completely redefine something we all just take for granted. So, is this really the end? Maybe it's the beginning of something totally new.
Okay, so to get our heads around this, let's start with a really simple, really powerful idea. We all know what an e-bike is, right? You're still pedaling, you're still doing the work, but it gives you that little boost. Well, this new technology does the exact same thing, but for the simple act of putting one foot in front of the other.
And that's where we get this new term, powered footwear. It's a brand new category. The idea isn't to replace walking, but to enhance it, to make every single step you take feel just a little bit easier, a little bit lighter.
And look, this isn't science fiction. We're not talking about some far-off concept from a movie here. This is real tech being worked on right now. And the goal is simple, but wow, is it powerful? Just to reduce the effort of walking. And that alone could open up a whole new world for mobility, for health, and for how we even experience the places we live.
So, you're probably wondering, how on earth does this work? Well, the first piece of the puzzle is hiding in a place we barely even think about, the soles of our feet. It all comes down to a special kind of sensory feedback called haptic stimulation.
The key player is something called glabrous skin. Now that's just a fancy term for the specific type of skin you have on the palms of your hands and, this is the important part, the soles of your feet. And believe me, it is completely different from the skin on the rest of your body.
So what makes this skin so special? Well, it's what's underneath. It is absolutely jam-packed with an insane density of nerve endings. Way more than almost anywhere else. This makes it incredibly sensitive to the tiniest changes in pressure and super aware of vibrations. It's like we all have these built-in, super high-def touchscreens on our feet, just waiting for the right tech to connect with them.
So here's the brilliant part. These smart shoes use these tiny, almost imperceptible vibrations and pressure changes, that's the haptic stimulation, to literally talk to your nervous system through that special skin. You know that little buzz you feel from your phone or your watch? It's kind of like that, a subtle language that preps your body for what's about to happen next. Okay, so the shoe has talked to your foot. Your brain got the message. Now what? Well, now it's time for the engine to kick in. And this engine is basically designed to be a supercharged version of one of the most important parts of your leg, the Achilles tendon.
And this comparison just lays it all out perfectly. You see, your natural Achilles is already amazing. It's a perfect biological spring, storing and releasing energy with every step. But the motorized version? Whoa. It does that and then some. It actively cushions your landing, which could be a total game changer for anyone with joint pain, and then it gives you an extra mechanical push to boost you forward. It's not about replacement, it's all about enhancement.
All right, let's put the whole thing together. Let's walk through one single step, from start to finish. Ready? 1. Your heel hits the ground. 2. Instantly, that motorized tendon cushions the blow. 3. At the exact same moment, the sensors are sending those little haptic signals to the sole of your foot. And 4, as you roll forward, the motor kicks in, giving you that extra push-off. It's this beautiful, seamless, intelligent cycle. And when you think about that happening millions of times, well, that doesn't just change a walk. That could change the world. So, this is where we zoom out, because this isn't just about a cool new gadget. A technology this fundamental has the potential to reshape society itself. It forces us to ask some really, really big questions about where we're headed. I mean, really think about it. For thousands of years, the way we've built our cities, the way we think about our health, our whole lifestyle, it's all been built around the physical effort of walking. If you start to lower that barrier to entry, our entire relationship with distance, with our communities, and even with our own bodies could be totally transformed. And that's really the big question I want to leave you with. If a long 5-mile walk suddenly felt as easy as a quick 1-mile stroll, what changes? Would we build cities differently? Would we explore more? Would it change how we think about getting older? The tech is here to give us a boost, but where we all decide to go with it, well, that's up to us.